Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing well. In today's video, we're going to talk about using your circumstances, the season of life, or maybe literally the season of the year you're in, to take some risk for some progress with your food. Let's just put it that way. And basically to learn more and get out of maybe some comfort zones. So my name is Tracy Brown. I'm your somatic nutrition dietitian and a tuned eating specialist. So thank you for everybody again who watches. I'm going to preemptively say a thank you. I love you, appreciate you. So some of the most important breakthroughs I ever had in healing my relationship with food, where I wasn't in control of the situation. So this doesn't mean you have to go off to an inpatient place somewhere unless you really need to. But I think it's important that when we don't isolate ourselves, we get a chance to learn. I'm going to give you a few examples. So I remember, when I was really all in, honestly, with recovery, I started saying yes to like all kinds of invitations for birthday parties and holiday things. And I remember I went to my sister's prom when I was in college. Kind of crazy. But I went because I wanted opportunities to be around food and people and to see what was happening in my system and to eat the food and to practice. To practice having to use hunger and fullness, or just practice making mistakes, all those kind of things. So sometimes we think here are situations where I can't control the food, and therefore maybe I can't control myself. Could we reframe that as wow, I have this opportunity to try something to see what's going to happen, and then use my tools to help with self-soothing or whatever. And I know that sounds really scary, but I got to tell you that I learned so much. And some of these experiments I didn't choose. I was in a situation where I had no choice, and I couldn't do my safe eating. It would have been obvious I was restricting or trying to look like I was eating healthy. And so I kind of forced myself, and it's not easy, but you will learn a lot, especially if you don't try to fix it with disordered eating thoughts or behaviors. You will learn a lot that your body can actually manage food very well. And even if you have a stomach ache or a side effect, it doesn't mean it's necessarily about the food. It could be, but it really could be about how amped up and constricted we are about it. And it teaches us hey, food maybe isn't the scary thing. It's maybe my viewpoint on it and what I think is going to happen. And that's where my work lies. So some other circumstances you could actually purposely put yourself in to learn are buffets. When you go on vacation, going on cruises, there's so much food available that you get to learn what you really like or what you do like. Now, I wish I could have gone on a cruise when I was much younger. That wasn't in my ability during that time financially, but I would have loved to have gone, because it would have taught me, one, body diversity everywhere, and two, and people living their lives and doing stuff, and two, eating the food. There's so much food around that you can literally just eat from hunger and fullness, no clocks needed kind of thing. If you don't have access to that, do your best to try to be in circumstances with people where they are that might be around food. Sorry, in the background, if you hear a coughing sound, that's my dog. He's okay. He's just very, very old. He's got some health issues, but he's okay. So if you ever hear coughing in the background, it's him. He hangs out with me wherever I'm doing stuff. So anyway, I hope this helps, but I want to encourage you, even if you're not going to go full out and go to your nearest buffet, to practice your hunger fullness skills and to really settle and to feel your feet on the floor and your bottom on the seat and your back against the chair. I know, thanks Megan. I know, poor Chuck. He's okay though. He's living a good life. So give yourself an opportunity. Go somewhere new. Go with somebody and do it in relationship. So again, I really encourage you to use the summertime as an opportunity to eat new things. Go, even if again a big vacation's out on the agenda, get in your car if you can. Uber if you can, take a train, take a bus, and just go to a new cafe, go to a new place, go to a new movie theater, eat a different kind of candy. Do something where you can get some body wisdom, and know that even if you're by yourself, you're in relationship with your body and let it be your friend. So thank you all so much for watching. If you have any more questions, would like more about this topic, please let me know. And take care. Have a good one. And last thing, real quick, I'm sorry. I know y'all are still waiting on my meal planning kind of guide. It's still being worked on because I'm trying to make it all to go together and look pretty and stuff. So hang tight with that. That will be out this month in June. So I will talk to y'all soon. Take care. Bye.